Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about what are the different sources of drinking water. Water for drinking and domestic use may be obtained from natural sources like water surface water, groundwater, rainwater, spring water and others. So we will discuss about them. Surface water, streams, rivers, lakes are the major sources of surface water. Usually these sources fulfill the requirement of municipal supplies. Water in these sources originate partly from groundwater outflow and partly from rainwater which flows over the terrestrial areas into the surface water bodies. Outflows from groundwater brings in the dissolved solids. The surface runoff contributes turbidity, organic matters, pathogenic organism. Usually in surface water bodies, the dissolved minerals particles will remain unchanged, while the organic impurities are degraded by chemical and microbial action. In slow flowing or impounded surface water, sedimentation of the suspended solids occur naturally. Due to lack of nutrients, microorganisms will die off. Although clear water from rivers and lakes require no treatment. On taking into account the risk of incidental contamination, it is better to practice chlorination. Unpolluted surface water of low turbidity may be purified by slow sand filtration alone. Alternatively, rapid sand filtration followed by chlorination can be practiced. Another great source of the drinking water is groundwater. Wells and springs contribute groundwater supplies. Groundwater mostly originate from infiltrated rainwater which after reaching the aquifer flows through the underground. Underground provide water to meet the requirement of individual household supply as well as municipal supplies. The treatment process also differs in these two cases with simply boiling the water before use for household supplies. However, municipal supplies require one or more treatment process depending upon the impurities found in the water. A little contamination of groundwater occurs from organic and inorganic soil particles, animal and plant debris, fertilizers, pesticides, microorganisms, etc. as it flows through the soil layers. In spite of this contamination, infiltration causes partial removal of suspended particles including microorganisms. Organic substances are also degraded by oxidation. Partial removal of microorganisms occur by the death of cells due to lack of nutrients. This properly withdrawn groundwater will be free from turbidity and pathogenic microorganisms. It is important to select the location of groundwater supply at a safe distance from other sources of contamination. If done so, groundwater will be of high quality and can be used directly without any treatment for drinking purpose. Rainwater is another source of drinking water. Rainwater runoff from the roof can be collected and stored for domestic use. Rainwater will be of high quality and the only possible source of contamination is airborne microorganisms that too will be present in very low numbers. Lakes and reservoirs are another great source of water. Typically located in the headwaters of the river system, upland reservoirs are usually sited above any human habitation and may be surrounded by protective zones to restrict the opportunity for contamination. Bacteria and pathogenic levels are usually low, but some bacteria, protozoa, algae will be present. Where uplands are forested, humic acid color can be found. Another great source of the drinking water is rivers. Lowland surface water will have a significant bacteria and may also contain algae, suspended solids and variety of dissolved constituents. But river water, it can be pure if it is in the upland area. Another modern technique for obtaining drinking water is atmospheric water generation. It is a new technology that can provide high quality drinking water by extracting water from the air by cooling the air and thus condensing water vapors into water. This will be of very good quality, but this will be a costly process. Thank you for discussion. Hope you have enjoyed the discussion, and we will discuss another topic in our next lecture. Thank you for discussion.
Need to like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications and comment below which gift you would like.